Good morning children, how are you? I hope all are watching the videos. If you can't understand, you can call ma'am and ask children. Start writing in your 4 lines. I will send you the question answers and all. I will write and send in photocopy. Okay, today open your English textbook, page number 6. Keep your pencil with you. Always when ma'am will start lesson, you have to keep your pencil with you children. Are you ready? Shall I start now? Page number 6. Okay. See the picture and complete the sentences. One is done for you. By seeing these pictures, we have to complete the sentences. Hope you have got the textbook children. Okay. Who have not got, please buy. Choose the suitable words from the bracket. They are given few words. That is first. In the bracket, tying, 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 taking, taking, giving, and carrying, carrying. All these words, by these words you can use and make sentence. First one they have done for you. Vijay is dash his sister to hospital. Taking, they have already given one example. Second one, Seema is dash a Rakhi to her brother. In this one, which one will suit for that? Seema is, what she is doing? Tying. Second one, first one they have already given taking, Taking. The second one, tying, Tying. What is Seema doing? Seema is tying a Rakhi to her brother. They are given the picture. By seeing the picture, you should use these words and make it correct sentence. Third one, Vishal is dash a gift to Sarala. What Vishal is doing is, what is he doing? See in the picture, he is giving a gift to Sarala. Third one, he is, what is he giving? He is giving a gift. Giving. It is ABCD. I write ABCD, you will be confused then. This is A, this is B, and this is C. Next, D. I am dash a bag to school. Which word will be suitable for that? I am carrying a bag to school. Carry bag and lunch bag and come, no? That is, you have to write carrying. All these words you have to use and make the sentences. He is carrying a bag to school. So once again we'll read children. Vijay is taking his sister to hospital. Second one, Seema is tying a Rakhi to her brother. That is, second one is tying. Vishal is giving a gift to Sarala. I am carrying a bag to school. So these 4 words we used and it completed this sentence. Next word they are given. Let us learn to use between. The word we have to use, what saying? They are saying we have to use the word between, where all it is suitable. Use between in the following sentence. One is done for you. What is the first one? The girls are bringing the plate, keeping the Rakhi between the lamp. See, these are the 2 lamps. In between what they are kept? They are kept Rakhi. So they are using the word between. In the center means between. See, there is, example I will give. There is 2 duster. In between these 2 duster, ma'am will keep one chalk. Where is the chalk now? The chalk is between these 2 dusters. So, yeah, we use it between. Between means in the center. Okay, children. Second one. The school is dashed to 2 trees. See, there are 2 trees. What is in the between? There are between 2 trees. There is a school. So you have to write between. Spelling is B-E-T-W-E-E-N. Between. You have to write that word. Use only between where it is suitable. The school is between 2 trees. You have to see the picture and write that. Sumana is sitting between the wheel and the seat. Where is she sitting? She is sitting between the wheel and the seat. In this picture, write between here. Last one. There is a puppy between the 2 dogs. There are 2 dogs here. In the between, there is a puppy. Dog's baby is called puppy. So, there is a puppy between 2 dogs. Next one, the same page 8. Did you understand, children, what the word we used? We used between, as I showed you the example, between. See, one more I will write here. See, this is one ball and this is one ball. What is this? This is one ball, this is one ball. Center, what is there? In the between. Between, what is in the between? Bat. Bat is in between these 2 balls. Did you understand, children? See, I will write one. This is one house. Simply for example, I am giving you. There is a, what is here? These are 2 small houses. Between what is there? Cat is between these 2 houses. Like this only they are given few examples. By saying that you can write. You can understand what is between means, what is the meaning of between. These 2, in the center what is that? That is called between. Between these 2 houses the cat is there. Between these 2 balls there is a bat. Okay, children? Say loudly. Buy, tie, fly, try. In A column. In B column, ear, hear, fear and tear. These are the rhyming words. See, ear, fear and tear. That one to read, say loudly they are given. Try to read 2 to 3 times. Okay. Go to page number 9. Choose the words from the box and complete the sentences. What are the words they are given in the box, children? In the box, they are given on 4 festival. T-I-V-A, festival, and one more gift, G-I-F-T, gift, sweets, Rakhi. In the box, they are given, how many words they are given? 4 suitable words. Okay, children? What are those? Festival, gift, sweets and Rakhi. Can you see the board? Rakhi. First one. The sister ties dash to the brother. What she will tie, children? What she is tying for her brother? In this you have to select and write which is suitable for that sentence. The sister ties dash to her brother. What she will tie? You learned in the lesson. Very good. First one, I have to write. She will tie Rakhi. R-A-K-H-I. The brother gives dash to the sister. When she will tie Rakhi, as I told you, what will the brother give her? Brother will give her gift. Very good. G-I. After tying Rakhi, what she will get? She will get a gift. Third one. I celebrate Rakhi dash. What he celebrate? He celebrate festival. The third one. F-E-S-T-I-V-A-L. Celebrate festival. Last one, I give dash to all. After the festival, after tying Rakhi, she took the gift. After the festival celebration, what all will give? Will give sweets. For fourth one, SWEETS. Sweets. Okay, children, complete sentence I'll read now. Choose the words from the box and complete the sentences. Festival, gift, sweet and Rakhi, they are given in the box as I wrote here. First one, the sister ties Rakhi to the brother. Second, the brother gives gift to the sister. I celebrate Rakhi festival. I give sweets to all. Okay, children, what you learned? If you learn the lesson correctly, it is very easy to answer these dashes. Next one, add S to make plurals, singular and plurals. What they are given here? For one brother is there. Here how many are there? 2. So 1 and 2. That is singular means 1, plurals means 2. More than 1. Brother, brothers. Sister, sisters. Hand, hands. There are 2 hands. Month, months. There are more 2 pages. They are given 2. So it is more than 1. What is that? That one. We have to use S for that. Add S. Okay. To make plurals. PLURALS. You have to add S children to make. First one, brother. They are given what they are given here. First one, I write in different color chalk. BROTHER, brother. That is singular. In plural, what we have to write? More than 1. So, if we have to add S for that. Brother. BROTHERS. Brothers. Brother, brothers. It is not sufficient place. I write it again and again. This side. First one, brother. 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 Brothers. THER. What we are using? We are using S. Brothers. Can you see the board? Brother, brothers. Next, second one, sister. SISTER. How many are there here? More than 1. So they are sisters. Again, SISTER. Which one we are using? We are using S there. Sisters. Sister, sisters. Next, third one. Hand. 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 How many hands are there? There are only 1 hand here. Here there is 2. So what we have to write there? Hands. HAND. What we are using? We are using S. Hands. I am writing in a different color chalk so that you can see which is the difference between hand and hands. And the last one, month. 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 Only 1 sheet, January or 1 calendar sheet they have put. Here they have put 2 sheets, maybe 2 months. So that is months. MONTH. I am using writing S. So months. Okay, children, what we use? Add S to make plurals. This is the word we added. Brother, brothers. Sister, sisters. Hand, hands. Month, S there. Okay, so for today I'll stop here. Till next class I'll send you the notes. You can copy down, children. Okay, children. Bye, children. See you in the next class.